Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, doing a quick experiment with that Marx 6000 dummy that I transplanted that motor into. If you remember last week, I got a 6000 in really terrible condition and pulled the motor out and transferred it to this dummy. And since it has a front coupler, I can now couple it with a standard 6000 and have two locomotives, or I can run it individually as a switcher, forward or reverse. In any case, just to test this with a 6000, I've got this on the tin litho consist pulling 30 cars. So as you see, that is running just absolutely splendidly in tandem. They both have full-size motors with working E-units. And of course, they both have working headlights. So that's quite a consist. The 6000 itself is not a particularly good puller, unless you put traction tires on it, of course. But as you can see, that is pulling really, really well. So two 6000s, one with a front coupler, which was originally the dummy, of course, and just transplanted that motor into it, drilled a hole in the top, mounted it, and it's running just absolutely perfectly. Has a front coupler, so you can run it as a switcher, forward or reverse. And of course, I added a headlight to it. And that's running really, really well. So I paid $11 for that, basically just to get the motor out of it. As you see, it was definitely worth 11 bucks. So two Marx 6000s running in tandem. The B-unit dummy converted to power with a full-size motor with a working E-unit and a headlight. So it looks nice, it runs nice, it can pull a lot of weight, as you can see. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on this 6000. Saw it on eBay, I was the only bidder on it, and bought it just to get the motor out of it. It was in really poor condition, the shell. So anyway, I had this 6000 dummy, so I just drilled a hole in the top to match this one. Took the motor out of that other one and dropped it into the dummy. And it has a working E-unit, so you can run it forward or reverse, pushing or pulling, since it has a front coupler. So anyway, running in tandem with a standard 6000. Runs great, pulling 30 cars. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.